The A Premium Air Conditioner AC compressor with clutch is a high-quality replacement for broken AC compressors, fitting a range of Ford, Mazda, and Mercury models with 2.3L to 2.5L engines. This compressor stands out for its high manufacturing standard and comes with a 1-year quality guarantee, offering users peace of mind. It is designed for specific compressor type DKS7DS and comes complete with a clutch and pulley, ensuring compatibility and ease of installation. The compressor features specifications such as PAB 100 oil type, R134A refrigerant type, 6 pulley grooves, and 130 10 milliliters of prefilled oil. The product is compatible with Ford Escape 2008 2.3L, 2009 to 2012 2.5Lers, Mazda Tribute 2008 2.3L, 2009 to 2011 2.5Ls, and Mercury Mariner 2008 2.3L, 2011 2.5Ls sport utility vehicles. With a review score of 4.6 and priced at $179.99, this AC compressor offers excellent value for the quality and features provided.